So we had this 2012 Nissan Versa popped by our shop. The customer wanted a new look, a new fresh look, and a facelift. So we had to change the doors out, some of the doors out, the fenders, and as you can see here, the headlights were actually really worn out. Some tabs were broken. We needed to come in with some new headlight replacements. Yeah, so we went for the depot headlight replacements to look fresh. We did some body works on the car, on the exterior. Then we moved on to the spray works. So like we advised the customer, that a change of color would do a lot better, and then we decided on the metallic silver, which made the car look more refreshing. So we put a new spray on the car, and then we did some works on the interior as well. We changed out the radio because the old radio was kind of old. We fitted a new Android stereo with GPS tracking and rear view camera. The interior looked more fresher and modern with a stereo. You can see the back camera installation here. We had a bright night view vision camera. So this is how the car looked afterwards. And yeah, we tune in Tuesdays. Always make sure our clients are satisfied. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.